Okay, it's hard to believe it's November the 18th and I'm sitting along the Welland canal pathway. And today there was supposed to be a submarine going through here, but I think I unfortunately missed it. So today there is a sitting here, and I just came out for a walk about a little bit ago. So we're just gonna view the pathway, and in a few minutes there's going to be a big boat coming through. At the same time I'm making this video, I am recording an audio booth, so the audio booth people can hear the sounds of the roar of the boat going through. I am on I'm into audio booth too quite a bit, and I like doing it, so we're just gonna record this. The boat will be here shortly. It's coming along fairly quick, and it's just like a regular big boat, and it's probably from another country, I'm not sure, but we'll try and... It has a flag on the front, but I can't make out what I guess I missed it. So instead of the submarine, we'll get the big boat going through. I haven't recorded from this point before. So maybe you can start to see it now. My head's sort of in the way, but you'll see it in a minute. It's a really huge boat. The name of this boat that's going through is the Birch Glen. Not sure where it's from. Closed now, and the name of the boat is the Birch Glen. So I'm just going to be quiet for a few minutes, and you might be able to hear the sounds of the Birch Glen going right by me here. The boat is really long. I don't know where it's from. It's got a flag. It has CSL on the side, which might mean Canada Shipping Lines. And you could probably hear the roar of it, I'm not sure. And there's water coming out the front of it. It's red with the white at the top. It's got a flag on it. I don't know whether it's a Canadian flag, so it's obviously from Canada. Sometimes in the summertime there's people out on the boat, but unfortunately with it being colder weather you can't see it. But the boat's going through right now, right by me, so you might be able to hear the roar of the boat. Not sure if it's picking it up in the background or not. And it's a nice big boat. Okay, it's right in front of me right now as I make this audio booth and make the YouTube video at the same time. It's a big, huge boat. Someone walking on top of it. They say at night that the boats are, or Christmas time, that the boats are decorated up in Christmas lights. This year, if it's not too bad, I might actually go out and take some video of the boats decorated up in Christmas lights, with Christmas lights here. And, you know, I want to go down someday when the boats are actually going through the locks and take some pictures of the boat going through the lock. But You can see it, and for anyone on, you can see the sign CSL, it's sort of right in front of me. And of course I said the name of the ship is the Birch Glen. IMO, whatever that means, number 8119273. So I don't know what that means. You can see people at the other end of the boat here too, at the big end. And there's like a flag on it. It's white on top. It's a big white, that's probably where the engine is. Big white top, you can see people out there. There's a flag on this boat. I think I have seen this boat go through here before, but there's lots of boats that go through the canal on the shipping season. And it's quite a popular thing to see, but unfortunately I missed the submarine. Got one boat that goes through, and I think it's from Alaska, because you can see the Husky on it. Anyway, for anyone on audio boo, my time's almost ran out, and the boat's almost gone through here, so as soon as the time runs out, I'll have to stop this boo. And it's a big, huge boat. Anyone on audio boo, God bless, and take care.